Hey man, you seen my phone? Which one, man? Not that phone, the trap phone. Paper route, bitch.
What's good, chat? 25.7 back with another video. In today's video, I'm in the process right now. Zena's about to give birth. Not yet, but soon. She's on day 55 right now, so we got a couple more days. I'm getting the incubator ready. I had a other light that came with this incubator. Sorry about the noise. It's programming. I had another light for this incubator. That, oh man, that was a proper one, but the dogs chewed it up. So I got a new one. My dad helped me make some holes on this lamp, so we just screwed it on with our own screws. And it's doing good, to be honest. I'm gonna flip the camera, show you guys, so you guys can see. We got Diva right here. She's about to be a sister, a big sister. But yeah, it stopped beeping already. And yeah, shout out to Simply the Best Candles on Instagram. That's where I got this incubator. I'm gonna let it warm up, and I'll show you guys once it has the humidifier on, steaming, and I'll show you guys the rest of the other stuff. This is Zena right here on day 55. Yeah, day 55. I think she's gonna have 8 puppies. My mom thinks so too. I think Vinny says 7. So we'll see how many puppies she has. Stay tuned. This is my calendar I had right here. As you can see, November 5th, Zena's 60th day. Her due date is 11/3. But I'm hoping that she either gives birth on Monday, because I think the vet is closed on Sunday, so we gotta stay tuned for that one. All right, so this is my incubator from Simply the Best Kennel, as I mentioned, and you guys can look them up on Instagram. Everything comes how it is. It's just I bought this 2 years ago, so I had to buy my own tape because obviously I took it off, and I had to buy a new light because mine ripped. So I basically made this custom myself, but 88 for the first week, 40 on the humidifier, and this is how it's looking. The other videos, it wasn't getting hot as fast, but now that I put the tape on, the heat is holding up really good. So yeah, all we need is our little puppies to be here. So y'all stay tuned. I'm not sure if you guys could tell, but the puppies are kicking on her belly. Stay tuned, watch, look. Dang. Puppies want to come out already. Today is day 57. Hey, Carlos, how many pups you think Zena's gonna have?
Like 8.
Like 8? Benny?
Like 7.
Like 7 or 8? But so, we'll see. Working good. Humidifier is working good. Jeez. Wait, stay tuned. There's gonna be puppies in there. Stay tuned.
Yeah, she's trimming.
Okay. Oh shit. What's good, chat? If you guys are wondering why I'm here right now, I'm just informing you guys the clips that you guys are about to see right now are gonna be when the dogs were born and not at my house. So if the background of anything's different, y'all gonna know that's when the puppies were born. Y'all stay tuned. So this is the only puppy that needs a little bit of oxygen, so he got him connected. The other ones crying right here, but so far so good. So Zena's almost off her medication. She's waking up a little bit more alert. This is the first time she's licking the puppies. The first 2 times we fed the puppies, she was not licking them. But right now she's licking them, so that's a good sign. All puppies are crying, moving. The little black one right there, she wasn't gonna make it. That was the first one out, like almost stuck, but she's doing good. This one right here had a little bit of breathing problems, but hanging in there. But so far, good litter. Good litter. She looked like her daddy. Little daddy.